Okay guys, so today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this brand new HW Motor Show 2026 model. It's actually the new 5-pack that includes the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. The second one is Nissan GTR R35. Oh yeah, I thought it was an R34. Aston Martin Vantage GT3, Celero GT, and Renault Sport RS01. I think that's the Renault, and this is a Celero. I have a copy of that in the past, but it looks really nice on this color. This is a brand new 5-pack for 2026. I already have the previous Motor Show 5-pack from 2025, and you can click on the link on the video here to take a look at that one if you like. This is what the case looks like with the 5 cars. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. So here we are. We have the tray. We slide out the whole tray. Here we go. Put away the box. Here's our tray of 5 cars. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the very first one, which is this guy. This is, I think this is the Jaguar F-Type Project 7. So this is a prototype casting from 2015 Mattel, made in Indonesia. But yeah, man, it looks really cool. The wheels, would have liked if the wheel has a little bit different color here, but actually black, all black, with a little texture right there for the rims. Look really good on this matte red color right here for this convertible. You can see the details in the interior. Here's what the back looks like. You can see the exhaust right there, details. Really nice. Of course, being a Hot Wheel, it rolls really well. Let's see. Here we go. There you go. All right, so there's the first car in the 5-pack. All right, so this is the second car in the pack. This is an R35 GTR. This is actually the first Hot Wheels mainline GTR that I have outside the pack, and this purple, metallic purple, looks pretty awesome. I have some premium R35s that are super detailed from, like, you know, Inno 64, Mini GT, Pop Race. You know, I have DMH, Kiloworks, CM models, Street Warrior, resin model, and this is Tarmac right here also. Really nice RWB. Yeah, I have an R35 back there from Top Secret, Inno 64. Really nice, event exclusive. And I have a bunch of other ones too, but I mean, look at this, you know, 5-pack. I got this at Target, and they're running a 20% off sale right now. So I got 5 cars for less than $5. So, you know, $1 each. I mean, it doesn't have all the, you know, crazy details of a Mini GT or any of the Inno 64s and whatnot, but I mean, it's really cool. Look at the paint. Top-notch paint. Really cool. And these wheels are pretty nice. I love that it has detail tail lights back here. Obviously, being a mainline, you can't have that much detail, but this is really good details for what it is. So that's the second model in the lineup. Let's put these guys over there. Okay, so that's 2 out of 5. Let's look at 3 out of 5. Here's number 3 out of 5. This is Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Here we go. I actually have 1 or 2 of these of this casting, but this livery, this you know, paint on this one, the lime green, is pretty nice. You can see the Hot Wheels detail on the wings. Very nice, printed Aston Martin, painted Aston Martin on a metal wing. Really nice. There's the back detail right here. But yeah, really nice for a Hot Wheels Basic. You can see through the windshield to see some details on the interior. Really nice. The windows pretty slim here, but yeah, look at the profile, side profile on this guy. So the nose is a little slanted, so it's good for your tracks, and of course rolls really well. Okay, so that's number 3. Let's put it over here. Okay, let's look at number 4 out of 5 here. All right, so this is a Renault Sports RS01. Let's see here. Yes, Renault Sport RS01 Hot Wheels 2015 casting, made in Indonesia. Obviously plastic bottom and all metal top in this matte blue with this livery, this racing stripe livery. Really nice. The Renault logo in the front there. This headlight detail, I love how they do the white on black rim on this wheel. Fits the car perfectly. That white streak back there under the door just makes it look so really 3D. It looks like it's got a big hole in there, and it does. You know, it's a 3D model. Looks really nice. All these racing stripes right here, pretty awesome. And here's what the back looks like. It's got a little Renault logo right there in the middle, 2 exhaust ports, and I always like the metal wings, and that's like a bas relief Renault logo right there too. Really nice. I love this matte colors, almost like chalk. It's like a deep blue, you know, royal blue chalk with some white stripes on it. Really nice. Almost looks like an R8 on the side, but yeah, the bottom is pretty basic, but the wheels looks awesome with the wings. I mean, let's see it roll. There you go. Very cool. All right, let's put this guy over here. So that's 4 out of 5 from the 2026 HW Motor Show. And here is the very last model, number 5 out of 5. This is the Celero GT. There we go. 2022 casting, so relatively new casting. The bottom looks pretty cool. It's got some aero elements right here. Air guides. Really cool. The front, it's got a clear smoke plastic, you know, kind of eyelid over the aero canards right here in the front. Really awesome. Of course, this whole piece right here around the cockpit is made out of metal. Beautiful paint right there on the side. And I love these wheels. These wheels just fit this car perfectly. Very nice, very aggressive. This is a plastic wing, but I think it works really well for this casting. I don't mind it. So yeah, that is the 5th car and the last car of this 2026 5-car HW motor pack. Quick review of these guys. I think this is even better than the first HW 5 pack. So, I mean, that's just my opinion. All these 5 cars are amazing. Even when I've been collecting a lot of these super high-end models in the back, you know, like the DMH right here, SF90XX. These guys are $20 to $30 each. And but I mean, I'm still loving the Hot Wheel mainline because they're doing some really cool stuff, like this guy right here, this paint, you know, this chalk-like blue paint with this livery is just amazing. I like this one out of the entire pack, but the R35 with the glossy purple paint is also really awesome. But I mean, these are all winners. You know, I would gladly pay, you know, $5, $6, $7 for each one of these, because in my opinion, some of the H-Wheel premiums don't even compare or you know, measure up to these guys. So, and of course, as you can see here, I have, you know, my Pagani Imola from CM. I got McLaren right here, Senna. This is a Majorette. That's a Majorette. I've been hunting this guy for a long time, never got it, so I had to break down and buy it online. You know, I got a good deal for $10 or something like that, so I'll grab it. This guy's a really cool. This is a GT. What is it? Let's see here. This guy is a special, one of the most special cars in my collection. This is a HKS GT4586. So what it is a limited edition 502, number 502 out of 699. This is a GR86 body with a Ferrari GT458 engine. That's why it's called GT4586. Okay, look at that engine. Holy smokes, look. That's a Ferrari engine in a Toyota GR86 with the HKS livery. This is one of the more detailed models, 164 models, that I have with a very special engine. There's no cover. Why cover that beautiful engine right there, right? Look at that lens headlight right there with the Toyota badge. Amazing. Amazing. And of course, you can see the cambered wheels front and back. Very special model. Yeah, I got this in a trade with a Reddit user. Shout out to him. I forgot his username, but I mean, you know, the community, a diecast, you know, collector community is pretty awesome. A lot of times, you know, cars like this, you can't even buy it, even if you wanted to, but you know, you can get it in a trade. So there's always somebody with some cool stuff that you know, you can trade for. So yeah, super awesome. Anyway, let's go ahead and compare this super awesome, you know, super detail model to this Hot Wheels mainline from a 5-pack. I mean, you know, the detail isn't quite there for the mainline, but it comes pretty close, right? But as you can see, the spoiler on the mainline, how thick and how crude it is versus an actual, you know, premium model spoiler. Look at those wires, thin wires for the spoiler. Much different. Look at the headlights, right? Let's see, maybe this guy. The headlight in this guy is painted on versus a lens headlight that is much better detail, and the front versus something like this. I mean, these guys are no slouch, right? I mean, really good for mainline. But yeah, I mean, that's it for this quick video comparing the 5 that comes in this 5-pack, and a little comparison against one of my premium models in my collection. Obviously, there's no comparison, but hey, you know, just to give you an idea of the premium stuff versus the mainline stuff. This is a really cool, you know, hobby with all kinds of things that you can collect and you know, appreciate for a long time. But that is it for these this quick video unboxing of these 5 cars and the new 5-pack. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you like more of this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.